sharing or Apple Live. So, meeting the Ura YouTube. And every year we are coming to you live from Methodist Girls Senior High School, the Ghana Association of French Teachers Inter-Schools Competition. It happened, it happened zone has it, and then Sunday we can get the bread. And the primary school session, and you have done every year. We feel say they say we could any for and what they find out meaning a baby. We shall never in a one on crown on say one of the winners for the French inter-schools competition. We also do men can't show one this one one then when you meet me, I can say one of making to I will have 32 points demonstration primary and soon 30 points and then bulk of 33 points, sorry, and if demonstration primary, we 32, and if over man primary, it's 28 from there. And then see, one wedding in my head, and yet one of us say, and I'm also with you, man, and some crack. I'm telling you, there we won't say, see, you have a primary school, I have French, I will be up in Zoom, and you go home, and your mouth, I have up in Zoom, had a belt of, and then wedding in Kulim. And it's men won't be Cassani who be in Yamama, if they get our farm. And it's in no more about something about Apple Lives. But I will read it. Okay, it's Yami of Branson, right? Okay. Sabe some of the kind of BAG studios. Where talent hunts, no, was a book and and I was another view and then or the avoiding crack and then make them now work more when you know school. One family big crack and currently one sack council. And yet you could also not buy only name and a camp. But I was looking at it. But I was something new. Nakio Pata, okay. Now, but I was what was that? Class 4. Okay, class 4. Okay. Indeed, Ocean Way there, I can't be very expect that for me, no better classes, baby. Now, one man, and I can be a and I wedding criminal bread, and every all Methodist girls near high school. Me name me magic point here, which we did. It's going to try magic. Okay, it is any kind of what's a practice or practice here and I'll be who on I can on our men nana no can and it says I practice the no and or class and I the other also magic then also we and send them to be first. Nyansa. What's a Nyansa? What's a Nyansa? Now, me to it's an in seminar go how we saw na primary school level na mo unse usia du baby as I say we dey answer to French na makasa no sia akra anya hwekura we be so conform to make what me who say in seminar we saw ebi o ha answers ni similar na mo as I say we dey answer to answer na what me abua enti o kan ya o mo enti ene belko primary schools there were every one said were the best friends and that's where the best friends school I work at and it's going to be and we ensure that I read all my men when we see for 1 hour from I'll be creating my man with her worship assembly now waiting at Yami. Yami, I know what's coming out to us. Okay, Yami is with you, the 18 years. Okay, Naki also said, or BBS said, or share. And Peter Green, we didn't be said, who could do the chess and share one of us and a man of Belmont. And that's okay. And the well was to be a man, why already say the next competition, Ghana Association of French Teachers, may organize. Or about what well, it's unsaid. champions ɛwɔ ha ɛyɛ nyamie ɛne na kiw ɛreto grama sɛ next year no wɔbɛba akyɛn sei saa ma akyɛn na wɔde winning no ɛbɛyɛ bigger than this ɛne nti hwɛ wɔn na wobɛhyia wɔ bio next year saa pɛpɛpɛ ne nti ɛne nti menim neɛ kɔso bio okay ɛnti finally so far as I'm French winning some competition here for you. If one or two questions be effective one. Me the French na manya here. Yami enti say obi repa ni fear. Oba kan na French.
She say something. Just say something.
Okay. What's the name of the pattern? Who's the name of it? Enti akrafo de beda mase wasabi mu se mo hwe mo apoline so di medini mary e fe na DHS fono enso de bi so amono compress the oppressive presby enso wa ha sei Methodist schools no so wa ha enti wo nyina ebehwe na fe enu ekiri ni yebehu de ono so befa kunimdi abotri no wa ho wo wi a SHS fono so ebebembi so far ever mehu kapman SHS na hu Mount Sinai ko ewa ha sei ena fe di ara school no ena ni fa SHS you ena Mount Sinai no kapman enti yewie DHS ne fa na won so de behyehyɛ so ne fe ye unua ono so eye opabene ewa French kasa nim ewa apem so kasa eni ti ebesrese menyi TV na ase memfa o telecom na ko ba bia na mo menna apple live so na ye di medini nyina ne bekoti aba be na nyina so ebebre wo ase eni ti ye na mafa so ko aba apple live so ya me ye eni ni ya ko betimi aba class
Now is the time to announce the results. C'est le moment de lui donner les résultats. C'est le moment de lui donner les résultats.
Grand merci à tout le monde. Mesdames et messieurs, nous sommes à la fin du deuxième tour et c'est aussi la fin de la compétition pour la catégorie DHS. We are at the end of the DHS competition, and the same as at the end of the round 2. Let us now see the results. À la fin du deuxième tour, le deuxième tour, Amano Pro Presby DHS obtient Opiapima, this is who? No. No, but the one that we are this one.
No, that one is big. We've given it to you.
Yes. Monopole, you can see. Arrange it.
It is arranged. Presby, then
I don't know why this primary is here.
So why did you
put this out? Then round 2. Amano Pro Presby DHS. L'école a pu trouver 9 réponses scolaires. Out of the 10 questions, obtiennent 7 sur 30. 27 over 30. Nous avons au croisé BJHS. Sur les 10 questions, ils ont obtenu 8 corrects, 8 questions correctes. Cela leur donne 24 sur 30, 24 over 30. Operation Press Basic Tool. Ils ont trouvé 8 réponses correctes. Ils ont trouvé 8 réponses correctes sur les. Applaudissez-le. Chaque réponse est 3 correctes. Donc ils ont eu 24 sur 30, 24 over 30. Ensuite, nous avons entendu Press BJHS. Ils ont répondu 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 questions correctes. 7 questions sont correctement répondues et cela leur donne 15 sur 30. 15 over 30. So now let us see the total marks now on the screen. Donc, nous avons maintenant le total. Ok. Mesdames et messieurs, après la compétition, voilà la performance de chaque école. We are remembered that it is friendly competition. It is to expose the learning of the French to the public. So no one should be offended, no humiliation. We are all victorious. In the history, our people is the first to organize this, and it's special, business. So we have to celebrate. Each of you has a call to celebrate. He officer. So we should not diss any person. You are the best. You are not lying to be the best in the whole country. Congrats. Donc, à la fin de la performance, nous avons Amano from GHS, 35 points. Okrase Methodist BGHS, 39 points. Okrase Press BGHS, 34 points. Mountain Press BGHS, 25 points. Premier, Okrase Methodist BGHS. Deuxième, Amano GHS. Troisième, Okrase Press BGHS. Et quatrième, Mountain Press BGHS. les jolies ça va. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are at the end. All contestants, I say, and bravo to all of you. All of you, we can very, very much. Please help us shake your hands for us. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. And God bless you. Give you many stools.
Sous l'applaudissement, bien fort. Et vous allez. Let's clap for them before they have their coming.
The Inter-Schools French competition organized by Ghana Association of French Teachers. One I work at the zone, and if you made this one, finance, and what the other many DHS, what you made in every now class Methodist B, and then one boy and Chewa Haya, then over the Casa, near the town which your class phone and Mamma have a baby minimum exercise. Assembling and you bet me I can hear the moment and somebody within the bank. Dennis, Jan, okay, now it's within the Sarah Dugan. Okay. I see, minimum magic ground where Ebiana will do how I prefer one could do an Beni and I'm there by Bishop Mohanam yet, and I magic band I'm yet. Yes, okay. It's Addiana, as I said, what you have to do for me, sir. And so, of course, one of the moment you say, Addiana, my dinner, Sabria will be a rush of life. A put to bang and I'm going to be a mummy and once who do to see a French. That's okay. It's your say. At this road, it will necessary. You basically have French, they pay. What fun is serious? Oh, the BBL. If you are not wanting the Sabbath, Ocracy Methodist B, GHS, one name, only the competition, was worried to Akrama, into Munti Mokra. Okay. And see, also, as some of it, me, I catch a students, and I say, Ubesua French, no about home or the room. It's an say, a teacher needed by the children. Now, also one funny serious that a bit me about sending a teacher in the year, Nina wired apart. I need to watch through you, also for modding this year. Many are very much also for crack a command and see a very sadly if you're grafted. That's only you Inti, a better man now, Mamma no competition. Inti, I shall feel sorry, the Baba project SHS on the final race between Methodist girls senior high, Overman senior high, and then Mount Sinai, and what is happening, and so about the SHS. If I SHS is to here, and it's your best friend, men now will be here, me and Shania, and so we have to keep watching.
On a les sponsors du programme Publishing, on a l'ambassade de France, on a aussi Patagon, on a aussi Apolai qui nous supporte, on a aussi Okoma FM, ça 97.1, et on a aussi Methodist Girls, Secondary School, et on a aussi français, le Quadron qui écrit en français, et on a aussi Kiapim Ruraba. These are the sponsors that I just mentioned their names. So we are going to continue now without the SHS category, at the SHS level now. Now we are waiting. We have started according to their numbers, the balloting number. We start from here, that is number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. This is the time that we are going to begin with the JHS level. SHS level, sorry, we are going to begin with the SHS level. But now, as I told you, we are going to receive families here because it's very important. We get some people who are not supposed to understand the language. That's why we try to use English. So please, le moment est venu maintenant que nous allons commencer avec le SHS. Nous allons prier pour qu'on puisse commencer. Let's pray. Let's pray for the teachers. Father in heaven,
Answers will be
once again, we are here today. We want to express wisdom and understanding. For this program to be successful, so that at the end we can go. Père éternel Dieu, tout est dans notre grâce. Nous allons demander ce programme encore à tes mains, du SHS à tes mains, des transmissions pour nous, afin qu'on puisse corriger au sein. Au nom puissant de Jésus-Christ que je prie. Dis Amen. Say Amen. Now, the SHS people, we are going to welcome you. Give me back, we are welcoming you. Then, yes, SHS, welcome. May God bless you. Once again, I'm going to mention I want to start with Apolline. Our sponsors, Apolline, Okuma Radio 97.1 FM. We have Mendes, that is Methodist Senior High, Methodist Senior High. We have French, background French. We have Kiapim Ruraba. We have background publishing, l'ambassade de France et Patagon. These are our sponsors. Now, I'm waiting for the man du jury, j'attends le man du jury pour commencer le programme. I'm waiting for the judges to start the program. So, je répète encore les sponsors, c'est Background Publishing. On a l'ambassade de la France, on a Patagon, on a Apolline, Okuma Radio 97.1, et on a aussi Methodist Girls Senior High, et on a aussi le français, background French, et on a aussi Kiapim Ruraba. Nous avons sponsorisé. Ce sont nos sponsors qui nous aident. Maintenant, sommes prêts. Et nous attendons les membres du jury. We are waiting for the judges to start. And we have to say, I can't afford our complaint. Puis, il y a cette réunion pour Adam. Et on ne peut pas être une amitié. C'est le meilleur, il y a bien, il y a ma vie, on teach, non, on different, je suis là, il y a French competition, et on a la French competition, il y a un sponsorship. La sponsorship, non, il y a Quadron Publishing, il y a l'ambassade de France, on a sponsoré, il y a Patagon, on a Sokamon, il y a Apolline, pour le chairman, il y a Apolline, au mois d'avril. Now, Okuma Radio 97.1, Methodist Girls, also can sponsor the movie. Now you can background French, also can home, and I have Kiapim Ruraba. So we now have my friend, also I'm not sure
success of this program. Once again, we should not make sign in the air in a bid to show them the answers. That's to tell the candidates the answers. No. Don't whisper the answers to them. Don't stay at the window and tell them the answers. However, if you have any complaint, vous aurez la consigne pour chaque tour. Il y aura la consigne. Alors, voilà le premier tour. This is the first round. And the first round is in two sections. Section 1 and Section 2. This is the preamble for Section 1. Préambule pour la première section. From the options A to D, choose the one that is nearest in meaning to the word or group of words underlined. Je répète. From the options A to D, choose the one that is nearest in meaning to the word or group of words underlined. So, bear in mind, bear in mind, Mount Sinai SHS. Nous commençons avec Mount Sinai SHS. Votre question. La performance d'une équipe dépend beaucoup de l'entraîneur. Le mot là-bas, c'est entraîneur. Je répète, la performance d'une équipe dépend beaucoup de l'entraîneur. Le mot, c'est l'entraîneur. Voici les réponses à l'adresse. Du coach, de l'arbitre, de l'entraînement, du jeu.
Du coach.
Correct plus un point. Correct plus un point. Nifa SHS. La compagne de mon patron est française. La compagne de mon patron est française. Le mot c'est la compagne. La compagne. Les réponses. Le mari, la dame, l'épouse, la compagnie.
L'épouse.
L'épouse, c'est parfait. L'épouse, c'est parfait. L'épouse. L'épouse. On va demander la culture des moustiques nous donne la malaria. Le mot là-bas, c'est la malaria. Je répète, la piqûre des moustiques nous donne la malaria. Les réponses sont le paludisme, Les jeunes sont conseillés de traiter les adultes avec politesse. Le mot là-bas, c'est politesse. Je répète, les jeunes sont conseillés de traiter les adultes avec politesse. Le mot, c'est politesse. Les réponses sont courtoisie, orgueil, politique, générosité.
Courtoisie.
Courtoisie, c'est correct. C'est correct. Nanaya, c'est correct. Nanaya, c'est correct. C'est courtoisie. C'est courtoisie. C'est correct. C'est 5 points. On continue. Maintenant, c'est Mount Sinai Exodus. Le mari de ma patronne nous a rendu visite hier. Le mot là-bas, c'est le mari. Je répète, le mari de ma patronne nous a rendu visite hier. Le mot, c'est le mari. Les réponses sont la fille, le fils, la femme, l'époux. Ça fait de toi, c'est l'époux, c'est correct. C'est quoi? L'époux, c'est le mari. C'est simplement. L'IFA SDS. Nous sommes arrivés au Ghana à 0 heure. Nous sommes arrivés au Ghana à 0 heure. Le mot c'est 0 heure. 0 heure, c'est le mot. Les réponses sont 12 heures, minuit, l'eau, 20 heures.
Minuit.
Minuit, c'est la réponse. C'est merveilleux. Minuit, c'est 0 heure à 0 heure. Minuit, c'est correct. C'est bon. C'est bon. Pourquoi signaler. Chaque chose ensemble. Évitez de vous divertir et étudier à la fois. Le mot c'est à la fois. Je répète. Chaque chose en son temps. Évitez donc de vous divertir et étudier à la fois. Le mot c'est à la fois. Les réponses sont une fois, 2 fois, en même temps, maintenant.
Deux fois.
Désolé, c'est pas correct. La réponse est en même temps. À la fois, c'est en même temps. Bien sûr, c'est en même temps. In English, it's at the same time. Simultaneously. À la fois. Maintenant, mes fils. Les Ghanéens sont généralement chaleureux. Les Ghanéens sont généralement chaleureux. Le mot c'est chaleureux. Chaleureux, c'est le mot. Les réponses. Méchant, vilain, xénophobe, accueillant.
Accueillant.
Accueillant, c'est Les Ghanéens sont accueillants. Les Ghanéens sont chaleureux. Ok, maintenant, nous allons à la deuxième section. Toujours dans le public, il y a d'autres certaines sessions of the round one. So we are taking the round one. Écoutez la préambule. Let's listen to the preamble. From the options A to D, choose the one that is opposite in meaning to the word or group of words underlined. Je répète. From the options given A to D, choose the one that is opposite in meaning in the word or group of words underlined. So we will read it and give you the word that is our interest. The word which is our interest. We shall mention that word. Allons-y. Mount Sinai, SHS. Les parents de Dieu sont illettrés. Les parents de Dieu sont illettrés. Illettrés. C'est le mot c'est illettré. Les réponses sont cultivées, intelligentes, importantes, éduquées. Éduquées, c'est correct. Éduquées, c'est correct. C'est 5 points. Nifa SSS. Votre question. Le nombre de nos candidats augmente chaque année. Le nombre de nos candidats augmente chaque année. Le mot là-bas c'est augmente. Augmente. Les réponses sont redouble, disparaît, diminue, monte.
Disparaît.
Désolé. Désolé. C'est diminué. C'est diminué. Augmente. Even in English, they also use augment. Augment. Oui, beaucoup pardon. Positif. Merci. Au compliment, SHS. Votre mot est votre place. Le travail sera bientôt achevé. Le mot c'est achevé. Le travail sera bientôt achevé. Okay. Les réponses sont corrigées, accomplies, contrôlées, descendues.
D.
À coup, on est là.
D.
L'option B.
B. Accompli, c'est correct. Accompli, c'est correct. Accompli, c'est correct. C'est l'option B. C'est accompli. Once again, I advise you to write. I said write. What you are hearing. The first one, write. Mais ici, c'est votre tour. Tout le monde était à la réunion d'hier. Tout le monde était à la réunion d'hier. Le mot c'est tout le monde. Le mot c'est tout le monde était. Écoutez bien, le mot c'est tout le monde était. Tout le monde était. Réponse. étaient. Peu de gens étaient. Personne n'était. La moitié des gens étaient.
Personne n'était.
Personne n'était. Personne n'était correct pour ces points. Personne n'était. Deuxième préambule. Let's go to Mount Exodus. Mount Sinai. Mount Sinai. Le mont Sinai. Votre question. Votre question. La police fait tout pour empêcher le crime. La police fait tout pour empêcher le crime. Le mot c'est empêcher. Voici les réponses. Apaiser, applaudir, renforcer, encourager. Encourager, c'est brillant. Brillant, c'est encourager. Nifa SSS. Son succès dépend de son engagement. Son succès dépend de son engagement. Le mot c'est succès. Succès, c'est le mot. Les réponses sont échec, perte, incompétence, difficulté. Bravo! Bravo, c'est l'échec. C'est correct ou c'est faux? C'est correct, c'est faux, c'est faux. Au bâtiment, SHS. Au bâtiment, SHS. Je vais poster une carte à la poste. Je vais poster une carte à la poste. Le mot c'est poster. Les réponses sont affranchir, écrire, lire, recevoir. Correct pour 5 points, c'est recevoir. Correct pour 5 points. Megis. Les expéditeurs ont cessé de condamner les services de la poste. Le mot c'est expéditeur. Expéditeur, c'est le mot. Les expéditeurs ont cessé de condamner les services de la poste. Le mot c'est expéditeur. La réponse destinataire, messager, courrier, facteur.
Destinataire.
Destinataire. Nana, il y a ce commentaire. Destinataire. Destinataire. Merci. This brings us to the end of round 1. C'est la fin du premier tour. At the end of round 1, this is the score. Mount Sinai Senior High School obtient 20 points. Nifa Senior High School arrache 15 points. Opiapima Senior High School obtient 15 points. Médise enregistre 20 points. We now move to the problem of the day. So we are moving to the problem of the day. That is it. So this is the preamble. Collect. Take the question upside down. So the questions are given to them, then upside down. No, don't take the questions till you are told to do so. Put all your pens or pencils on the table. The exercise is to test your ability in listening comprehension. It is known as the problem of the day. A passage will be read to you 3 times, thrice. Do you listen well? After the first reading, there will be first reading. After the first reading, you will be allowed to take the questions and go to for 1 minute. Your case is only 1 minute. You go through the question for 1 minute. Okay? Just after 1 minute, you turn it upside down. Then we shall read the passage again for the second time. Just after the second reading, you have 10 minutes to answer the questions. 10 minutes to answer the questions. After 10 minutes, the bell will go, then you turn the passage or the questions upside down again. Then there will be third reading. At this time, you still don't write. After the third reading, you have 1 minute to make necessary change or corrections if you so desire. So this is the instruction for the round 2, the final round. I hope it's clear. It's a team work. So put your heads together. Don't write anything when we are reading. Écoutez, je lis. Now listen. Les habitants de Nakuru. Nakuru est un petit village qui se trouve dans une grande forêt. Pour arriver à ce village, il faut traverser une grande rivière par de grosses pirogues. Il y a 200 personnes dans le village. Le chef de Nakuru, âgé de 90 ans, s'appelle Nana Naku. C'est son père qui a fondé le village. Les habitants sont pêcheurs et cultivateurs. Les poissons qu'ils attrapent dans la rivière sont séchés et fumés pour leur repas. Ils cultivent l'igname et le riz. Ils vendent l'igname au marché de Bamil, mais ils mangent le riz. Bamil, ce village voisin, est à 3 kilomètres de Nakuru. Ils achètent du sel et des produits manufacturés au marché de Bamil. C'est la fin de l'histoire. That's the end of the video. 1 minute to go through the questions and the answers. Put your pen down. It's not the time to answer. Turn it upside down for the second reading. Please check if you have all turned the questions upside down. Monsieur, go and check if you have all truly turned the questions upside down. Ok, merci. La deuxième lecture, second reading. Écoutez bien. Les habitants de Nakuru. Nakuru est un petit village qui se trouve dans une grande forêt. Pour arriver à ce village, il faut traverser une grande rivière par de grosses pirogues. Il y a 200 personnes dans le village. Le chef de Nakuru, âgé de 90 ans, s'appelle Nana Nako. C'est son père qui a fondé le village. Les habitants sont pêcheurs et cultivateurs. Les poissons qu'ils attrapent dans la rivière sont séchés et fumés pour leur repas. Ils cultivent l'igname et le riz. Ils vendent l'igname au marché de Bamil, mais ils mangent le riz. Bamil, ce village voisin, est à 3 km de Nakuru. Ils achètent du sel et des produits manufacturés au marché de Bamil. 10 minutes pour répondre aux questions. Now answer the question, 10 minutes. You only circle or fill in. 5 minutes more. Il vous reste 5 minutes.
you are done here, even if you can keep all the things, all the things everything you see this way, the things you will do. Madam, you are
In the morning when things were not
you went on.
starting,
What is it?
you can boss can notify them 2 minutes. They should wrap go through and do necessary information.
Get ready to end the problem of the day. Get ready, a minute more. Il est l'heure. Déposez vos stylos. Put your pens down. Monsieur, il faut ramasser les devoirs. Ah, yeah, that's everything. That's so good. So, check if it is upside down. Last reading, la dernière lecture. Les habitants de Nakuru. Nakuru est un petit village qui se trouve dans une grande forêt. Pour arriver à ce village, il faut traverser une grande rivière par de grosses pirogues. Il y a 200 personnes dans le village. Le chef de Nakuru, âgé de 90 ans, s'appelle Nana Nako. C'est son père qui a fondé le village. Les habitants sont pêcheurs et cultivateurs. Les poissons qu'ils attrapent dans la rivière sont séchés et fumés pour leur repas. Ils cultivent l'igname et le riz. Ils vendent l'igname au marché de Bami. Mais ils mangent le riz. Bami, ce village voisin, est à 3 km de Nakuru. Ils achètent du sel et des produits manufacturés au village de Bami. C'est fini. 1 minute pour les corrections. C'est la fin. Collect the work for us for market.
No, that is not the book. That is why did you write it yourself? You write it yourself.
Okay. But then me, I didn't understand why.
It will not be out. It's closed.
Alright. Nous sommes à la fin du dernier pour la catégorie SSS. Comme dit, c'est pour tester votre compétence à l'écoute, votre compétence d'écouter, de capturer le français dans les oreilles. C'est très bon. These are the results. Out of 10 questions, 10 questions, Mount Sinai Senior High School got all correct. Each question is 3 marks, so it's all 30%. McGee's did excellently well and scored 9. Some respect to France. Okwa Master camp ouvert. C'est une compétition très serrée. Une compétition très serrée. Et cela montre notre sérieux, le sérieux que nous avons pour l'apprentissage du French. It shows our seriousness in the teaching and learning of French. The results shows a very keen competition. So no school is scoring 50 as a total without the rule. J'ai l'honneur de déclarer que Nifa Senior High School occupe la 4e position. Opiatement Senior High School, la 3e position. Mais qui sera nos autres occupe le 2e rang. Et la 13e High School le premier. C'est la fin de la compétition. As I say to all of you, our audience, spectators, our sponsors, thank you. All candidates, nous vous disons bravo. C'est un très bon travail abattu. Peuvent continuer ainsi et la fin sera prometteuse, glorieuse, jouissable pour vous tous. À notre frère de Nifa, je vous dis que vous avez bien fait aussi. Mais Guise, qui nous a donné cette place pour appliquer ce programme, que Dieu vous bénisse abondamment. Montisina et au Guatemala, c'est excellent de votre part. Continuez à briller. Je dis bravo, bravo, bravo à tout le monde. Montisina, c'est excellent, bravo. Au revoir.
Montisina, bravo.
The picture, hot here.
Once again, before my brother talks, we acknowledge our sponsors. That's Quadron Publishing, Ambassade de France, Partageons, African, Senior High, à bord, je viens de mentionner les noms des sponsors, ceux qui nous ont sponsorisés, avant que le frère le parle. Donc, les sponsors étaient Quadron Publishing, l'ambassade de France, Partageons, AfroLife, Okuma FM 97.1, c'est-à-dire Methodist Senior High, Quadron French, et Aquatic Rural Band. C'est ceux qui nous ont sponsorisés. These are sponsors. Oh, let's start. And God will bless you. And God will bless you. I want you to continue laughing. I want hear from you. From your family. Please those outside, please come inside. Tell your colleagues to come inside now for their home. Tell your colleagues to come inside. Please those outside, please come inside. We are from my basic, please. They are outside, come inside. Now from Reverend to SHS. All of you, please come inside. Maintenant, les gens que vous avez demandé, du primaire jusqu'à SHS, venez maintenant pour votre récompense. Venez pour votre récompense. Please come in. Those outside, please come inside. All the students outside. Talking about. Please come, hurry up.
Arrange the thing.
There is a hospital card. Military hospital. The name on it is Maranatha. And the signature is by Dr. Ohini. The telephone number 0244 789858. If you got this medicine, please mount up here for it.
Is there any YouTube support on government offices? I believe they
We are grateful once again.
We also have a performance from Mountain Presby JJs. Are they around or they are gone? Mountain Presby JJs. Are you around?
Hello, once again, we thank God. We thank God. For the one say, Mamuchi and Amushe. No, my in you started Wednesday, and I said, Koda, and I never feel that you could have me. Wow, Shami, Uchi, so. Nina said, a French home competition, and no, my Nina said, you can say a man, you know, Muslim French. Go to Casa, Hodua, who could be a Honida, said the Abaya, and Mofran so any veggie. Nina say, yes, I will say. Mamma Sherman, Nina said, more encouraging of Framusho Mukran, no Mutimino Musia French, and I cast a piano, and Musia, and Fancy, and Nina said, and then I Yakika Yetiboma, French Teachers Association of Ghana Association of French Teachers in Nakabu said, yet the yes, I program of said the Abaya, and Moyanshan, yet the money. Nina said, Yayedi, and then I feel I had it on my channel evermore. You are a more quiet, you can't master no. You can say, a more quiet, I would my dear say, Padram Publishing. French embassy, French embassy, Patagon, Afro-Life, and Akuma FM, 97.1, and also and Methodist Girls Senior High School, Montpellier, and also and Padron French, and also and Akuma Rural Bank, and also we are not sure one, and tous les sponsors ont été mentionnés, nous vous remercions énormément parce que vous nous avez scandalisés. Par la grâce de Dieu, nous avons fini, nous avons passé le mercredi et aujourd'hui, vendredi, nous avons fini. Nous remercions énormément Dieu pour tout ce votre sort, ce que vous avez fait pour nous. Nous vous remercions énormément parce que le moment est arrivé. On est arrivé à la fin du programme. Sponsors. We acknowledge what the sponsors have done for us, and we have just mentioned their names. That the sponsors have done work. They have sponsored this program. And I'm here to, as people have been saying, that we are going to be, from here, we'll be leaving to that's the campaign zone. Here is A and a B. We are going to do the same thing. We are pleading to our peer sponsors if they can continue to do it for us.
All right. Ghana Association of French Teachers and a couple of at the inter-school French competition. By Fiasi Kudano, one of the schools, Nibibrina, and Antian and Pama, Bonatuashi. When I will be Pimu, or Megis, school Hasino, I am going to make a final. And it's from primary school session, about the senior high school level. It's primary follow. At the Nabelcock School Complex, I will perform FPFM and Edding Kunim, will be in the 33 points. Your Tosso, APC demonstration primary, also any 32 points or half, what did he second, and a pay or pass primary, as support so APSA with 28 points. Your fees are fairly you ready just on a hawk, now a honor, so now competition. Between Okrasi Methodist B, JHS, Amonokro Presby, JHS, Okrasi Presby, JHS, and Mampe Presby, JHS. Now, Sa for schools in a call, first round and second round, new now Okrasi Methodist B, JHS, and Edding Kunim with 39 points. Therefore, Amonokro Presby, and South of Serbian with 37 points. Therefore, Okrasi Presby is also Serbian with 34 points. If you finally Marco Presley and so also also the 25 points and Edijato Bonum. A young woman here, I didn't see a couple of say Ubijato or Hanuma, Senia, host in the kind of way you are the best role at the Siana Day, at the Chimbia, you see, it's the other just one of the baby, the Shan SHS one of the name. And currently, they will at the pa a year set of Bentaseku, and so, or Warabari, Kokuga, as Sokono, Ebiasano, Nefi, Mount Sinai SHS, our Wanransi, Parama, and Eddie Kunim, and then Parama, Ababakan and San, our Hasi. When it also a being a Methodist girl senior high, Yaka with Tiabra or Megis, also and of course, being. Those who any boosty day now so going to me and far. Now, position now, we are also Nanya bad. We are command that also every son, or also with 45 points. Economy. Let's say the first senior high school, all the way from Eduku, with Japan, also and the draft with 42 points. And then see, here, Megis school, and you will see, this inter-school French competition. Ghana Association of French Teachers are organizing our Japan zone and the other way. And it is a winner here, I have a consumer, and it's a yet a propon to and wedding to him, a young man with two wedding to him, Nemum, a Japan not soon, and the agency here, Osha Guna, Homestead, or Crassapo, and Muna, our happy here, a Japan not soon, and the was here, or Crafo, and so that. So here in Punima, when in Punim both a Captain North and then Okre District Assembly in Iran. And in the Paramount, many of them, and Mama Papa so about a cool life. So, thank you, I was secretary. And the end, can Mogada Mugenti actually, I should put a ration starting. Who did it?
Last night, Carmen.
Okay, Lawson Nebu Caroline. Number two. Example. Okay. When do you put it Monday? May I say I never get it? It's answered. And you Yamasha, what do you say? Paramount, and your Paramount, who did you show my man over Penina, and you go well with so by Saturday problem so much back. Okay, then I'll say Kaswa, what they are understand. It's the Kaswa in the name of Mount Sinai Senior High School, and what they about 3 people they know Abre Mount Sinai. Maybe say magic bell pan and to the air when you said you should be round 1 now when the method girls about the same point. If they move on, second round the high, number you can say I should come out was magic bell pan and to the air.
They also magic, but then it was shoe hardware.
Oh, okay. Most of the guys the same thing.
We did a lot of practice and events.
Okay. So a lot of practice and then hard work as well. Okay. It's the you let me know class and see, when you come to form 2 and you must actually track them more.
Go track.
Okay. What do you answer? Go track. To see I'm supposed to go track about you. And I just said what to me and your side to watch at the upper. And see, who have no one much at the big Ewonim, Sabu or Tiffy, was a net trap or one into it. Me and my making school. One to make it Ababa begin to say at the actual Mount Sinai Senior High School. And him, a better master stroke said, Bunya by. Definitely, no French, the same thing said, we general answer. Okay. And see, when we need the no one said, Miss Abaku at the moment. Since you be a shield, now America, we will be some of French, Mr. America, and American and then French. There be the men American, then American children. And you come back to Sabe, you budget no more than Casimao. And yes, women in French never baby and what they are meant to have. Namu, women see Apadaru. Now, one position of Lunia and also at the Pepe said, Mabo, what they want to say, Mommy, and Casimao. Now we are okay, it's and an hour slavery. Everybody who was a society, last video, so I you. And it is every who will share Acro Live, our Facebook, so on YouTube and also Acro Live GH. A year you may be put a year in that day, Benadabia, you would be some cry as I said, I'm not to the things that can come, but so Benadabia, bravo, well, Tasha and the William. Brown. Ye a tree and I say tree woman after a while natural metra tree literatures nibi after being I can come nefe addition the no yafa every feeder say I go cancel 17 also around the world of sports many are very much family and concerned that's answer nefe and also ordinary in aba when we said Premier League season the Bible start transfers the brain and also and then you bring other transfer not the near Kuchiba remain as Shabro. Player Ben na one tono, player Ben na one signing, just saba out in family and concern the Bemo Nina Costo. And you may be people at the Apple Live program here will be able to me a prayer. I may have a channel. The secondary schools were more entertainment committee. More entertainment programs from time to time. We bet me have a prayer. We about the training in our live and Siamo. Or maybe also a friend of Baba Warrior. Wedding program, no, also some praying. I remember about the channel. Every so no be a team, our museum, Opasi, Nam, and San who send you a Unitipa. And found said, Oye, a moment, and I said, Oye, maybe I said you to acquire. You remember the training in our Nama, I say, as I have pencil. What's the also now worry, maybe Opasa Ujaya, and we see a baby travel free, our Jaya, a baby travel free, fair, you. Frank to an Ashamani, our Jaya is the Indian and the other craft. Oh, wait, you plan out the south to shut out Mana. And we see a lady in our fair, it's said, Apple Live Day, we are singing everything, we are singing everything, and it's in a same maybe. yɛde wɔ frɛ yɛn sɛ yɛmmra metwa ɛne ti dwumadi no aba awia ne sa na mmom wɔn a wɔdi nkunim wɔn a ɛtɔɔ so abien ɛne wɔn a wɔdi ntoro so ɛsɛ sɛ wɔde obiara akyɛde ne ma no na afei yɛpɔ mfia fɛfɛɛfɛ ɛne ti mensa mmerɛ no megya ahyɛ mpanimfoɔ nsa na afei yɛahwɛ baabi a wɔde wɔde fa.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Afrolife, for your sponsorship. Afrolife sponsored us with this live broadcast. They didn't give us cash, but they gave us kind. Thank you so much, Afrolife. We want to thank Kwajuan Publishing Company. They also gave us books. Kwajuan, Madam MFA from Okwas, thank you very much for getting Kwajuan for us. We are so grateful. We are so very much grateful. Thank you. In fact, Okwas has been very instrumental in the organization of this program. We want to also thank you for doing our advert for us, the video jingle. Okwas, thank you. We have a very beautiful manual here for your child, the one who did the advert for us. If she's there, I would like to invite her for her token. We have given her already our t-shirts, and then clap for her. She is the one who did our jingle for us in French. Thank you very much. This one is also another one for you. Bien, reviens. Clap for her. Just that if you don't have the video on the laptop, you would have watched it. Thank you very much. Keep it up, okay? Yeah. Du courage. Also, we want to thank Ambassade de France, our patron in the French language in the whole Ghana. They also sponsored us. They didn't give us cash. They gave us kind. They gave us books. And they are books, they stamp it. When you get it, you open it, you see their stamp inside. Ambassade de France. Thank you very much. We also have book prices from Patajon. They are also a publishing company. They gave us also a lot of materials. They didn't give us cash. So when you see their books, you also identify it. I've talked about Afrolife, Okoma radio station at Ekropon 97.1. They gave us free airtime to publicize the program with the jingle. Okoma radio station, we are very grateful. McGee's, you gave us this very beautiful hall. You also gave us sound system. You also gave us mod. Sesame, thank you very much. Let's clap for Sesame and the whole McGee's team. Very instrumental in the organization of the program. We are grateful. We are grateful. We couldn't have done it alone. Thank you for bringing your hands on them. Also, we want to thank Ekwapim Rural Bank. Ekwapim Rural Bank is here. They bought the trophies for us. Let's clap for them. They bought the trophies for us. They took care of our trophies. They took care of our trophies. And also, we want to thank Nana Kobia Uchiwa Head for giving us, for supporting us with a cash prize or a cash sponsorship of 100 cedis. I've acknowledged already in the morning the PC demonstration primary head teacher who also sponsored us with 10 buses of water. Also, I want to thank a very good friend of mine who is in USA. Very interesting guy in French, very old man, but he's very interesting one. I told him about the program, I forwarded details to him. He sponsored in cash, and we use it to run a lot of things. Thank you, Uncle Kaspar from USA. This is your garden that has been fighting with you on the Momako platform. He's an alumni from Momako. We are on the platform. And then, I know you are hearing me from USA, I've sent you the link. I've mentioned your name, what you have done, we are so grateful. Thank you all for participating in this very first edition. The second edition will come next year. And then we know you have learnt your lesson. You wish we all do it better next time. And then we would like you to bring us suggestions. to bring us ideas where to correct so that next time we have it in a mega and a gargantuan way. Thank you very much. Now to the awards. We will not waste any more time. We will straight go to the award. So every first position you'll be going with a trophy and beautiful other prizes. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Que Dieu vous bénisse richement. Amen.
Let's clap for ourselves. C'est Yvonne and Richard. He's a drawing teacher drawing teacher at the Coupon Presby Church, that's basic school, that Coupon. So his name is Richard Yvonne. Oh, clap for him, clap for him, clap for him.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. All too soon, we have come to the most important part of this program. When people have done so much, we need to reward them to motivate them. And so we have certificates to present to the best contestants. On this note, we'll invite winners to the primary division here. I'll start with Okwakuma Basic School. If the contestants are here, they should come forward. Okwakuma Basic School. Oh, please, would you clap for them? We also invite PC Demonstration Primary School. I will invite the Regional GAPS Coordinator, Mr. Daniel Dunku, to do a presentation to them. The Eastern Regional GAPS Coordinator, Mr. Daniel Dunku, to send the awards to these people. First, to Okwakuma Basic School. We invite Belkov School Complex.
One by one. Next one, order one by one.
This one is for the school, yeah. But we'll write the school's name using an artistic like to do it. Then we'll give it back.
Leave it to me.
So after that, you come here and take group picture with all of it together. So now I invite the school complex to come for their cup. The biggest trophy for this program is going to the school complex. Their teachers can join them up here. The school complex will be all of you.
Teachers of Belkov, please come.
We have done so much possible.
Let's clap for them. Let's clap for them.
We are proud of all of you. We have made us proud. The school complex.
Two hands.
That's the book presentation from on Partageon. Partageon has given them books. They are going to learn French.
Primary.
They have
Turn it like this.
they are going on to Partageon publications.
You hold it together to show.
Wonderful paparazzis. God bless you. God bless you. Don't worry.
Yeah, now take your Bluetooth.
They have a Bluetooth device to learn oral French. So they will be listening to videos, they will be watching videos on Bluetooth on that Bluetooth device.
I should also take picture with them.
Yes. Take picture with us.
Yeah.
So you can come, you will take the last picture, then you can go. All the contestants together will take a picture.
Reverend, let's take care of them. Yeah,
Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful.
second position.
Now let's remove your price from the bag first. Take position. I think have you finished with you? Have you finished? Yes, I mean, so put set.
What are the books? It's not, we are not done yet. They are breaking me.
Why can't you take the table so that they show the show it like this so that no, give it to me. No, no problem.
Only them, only them.
Let's clap for the other one like you. We'll now move on to the ladies category. Ladies and gentlemen, I wish to invite upstage Okrasi Presby GHS. They have done marvelous work. Okrasi Presby GHS. Amano Chrome Presby GHS. They have also done wonderfully well. And the Okrasi Methodist BGHS.
Call third position first. Call third position first.
Please, third position, stand on stage, second and first.
Okay, so please you wait for us here. You did that way, okay. So the third position can work. Very good. I will now call on Mr. Stephen Wedi of a Papua Bank to come and do the presentation for us.
Where's my phone? Oh, shit.
Thank you, Okrasi Presby Canivas. God bless you so much. We invite Amano Chrome. Amano Chrome Presby GHS. Come upstate for certificates. Amano Chrome Presby GHS. Congratulations, congratulations. Thank you so much. And the winners are Okrasi Methodist GHS. Let's clap for them. Okrasi Methodist GHS. their teachers will take one photograph. So present the cap to Okrase Methodist BTS. Congratulations for getting the first copy of Canada Association of Apprentices of Apprenticehood. Wonderful, wonderful. So now the other contestants can join them in the wonderful pictures from this particular day. Teachers will also join them, please. We invite teachers who are wasting all their time, all the energies, all the resources to prepare them to join the next picture. That's our reward.
What are the first second? What is third? The third shoot to be passed. Don't hide, you are hiding. Spirit. Okay. Actually, small. Go, small, let's go. 1.
You were alone.
You should get back.
So now that you have your items, you can go back in for the basket, back of this nicely, and then say goodbye to them. God bless you so much. Mr. Wendy, we are so much grateful to you. God bless you. God bless you. All right, so thank you very much. Okwasi Methodist DHS. Thank you so much, Okwasi Presby. Thank you so much, Honorable.
Are you not done?
We are done.
Now, what is your next? The SHS for the one.
I will now invite Okwapuman School for the SHS category. Okwapuman School, if they are here. Okwas, they have done wonderfully well. And you are blessed because the one to do your presentation is a man who is anointed by God. Very Reverend Body, please do join us to do the presentation for us. because of the COVID-19 protocols. That is why Reverend again that God bless you, Reverend. Reverend, look at the camera for us. This is why we are grateful to Pastor Jean and Pastor for giving us all these items. God bless them so much. So you can wait for us at the back. Thank you. I would like to invite our host. In fact, they would have brought perpetual as a sacrifice from this room. Apart from all the things they have done for us, we are going to reward them later in heaven. But for now, they have also taken the second position. So we invite on stage Manfred, Methodist Girls, Senior High School. They have made me proud. This host and their parents will be happy to see them on Facebook and YouTube Live. Congratulations, congratulations. Wonderful. Very well, let me be upstage. You are ready. So this is from Pastor Jean. The second prize is for Pastor Jean. You are grateful to Pastor Jean for sponsoring the first and second for DHS and SHS. God bless them so much. Reverend, I love the last one for us. We now invite the contestants for Holy Mount Sinai SHS. H Mount Sinai SHS. If you are ready, please step forward. Wow! Congratulations on Sinai. Very reverend is giving the presentation. God bless you. You are blessed when the man of God anoints you.
Okay, let me come there.
Congratulations, Mount Sinai Senior High School, for winning the first ever French quiz in Ghana. The first make themselves also proud, their teachers proud. Take one of them. Congratulations, Mount Sinai. The teacher can handle them and make yourself proud. Wonderful. Let me just finish. Take the rest backstage. God bless you so much. Reverend, God bless you. I can't keep my mouth open. So, dear SHS, they want to have a group picture, first, second, third, everybody together. So, first, second, third, all the contestants, wonderful, wonderful. So we invite on stage the GHS participants. Come and join them. GHS participants, come and join them. The contestants. The primary school contestants, come and join them. Primary school contestants, GHS contestants, come and join them. And now proud of ourselves. The French Embassy gets called. They are so happy about what is happening here right now. We want to encourage you to learn harder because very soon next year we'll have the original quiz, original to represent your zone, and the winners will have 2 weeks vacation in the Francophone country. The winners of this particular regional zone, the regional competition, will have 2 weeks vacation outside the country to a Francophone country. You have free tuition, free accommodation, free feeding, free transportation, free health insurance, and you come back safely free. So keep studying French. Next year, July, you have the regional quiz. Congratulations, congratulations. So please, my attention has been drawn to the fact that you need to bring a certificate back for certain questions to them on there. Please. Again, the caps that are given to you, it's not for keeping. So we give the maximum of 1 week to showcase it in your school's offices, and after 1 week, you bring them back to class. Take all the pictures and return them to class. Thank you so much. Hello, yeah, you have to keep the caps until we organize a new competition. That's how it is done. You keep it. I'm pretty sure you don't break them. Very good. Give them until we organize a new competition. Then you bring it back to us. We thank everyone. We thank the Agro. Yeah, we thank Agro Life very much for sponsoring this very important occasion for us. They have done well by coming in with their personnel to handle the final stage of our competition. Life, we are most grateful unto you. We thank Partageon, it was few days to the competition that I have to solicit their support, and then they have responded positively. We are grateful.